Good morning, friends. Welcome back. I'm back in my usual morning walk in one of the quiet villages near our community. And just for you to get the look and feel of this village, let me just pan my camera. As you can see, I'm literally walking in the middle of the street. That's how quiet this village is. Actually, this is just one of the two villages where I do my 10,000 step walk every day. And yesterday, I was able to clock in at 16,792 steps. The weather was good yesterday, so I had a good walk. So let's just hope that the weather will be fair today so we can cover more areas. And let's see how far my feet would bring me and how many number of steps will I be able to clock in today. Okay? See you and have a nice day.